Hello guys, how are you? In today's class, we're gonna work on greetings. Greetings, saudações, and goodbye expressions, okay? What are greetings? Hello expressions. In English, we have formal expressions and we do have informal expressions. Let's get started with the formal ones. Let's go. Let's repeat with me here. Good morning. Good morning. Many people say good morning. Good. Som nem sai direito, ó. Good. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. In this case here, what do? We're gonna link like this. Good afternoon. The pronunciation. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And good evening. Okay? Here we use good morning in this context here. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. But here we have a difference between good evening and good night. What is the difference between good evening and good night? Guys, good evening, it's a hello expression. Let's imagine you go to a restaurant. You're gonna eat at a restaurant and when you get there, good evening, good evening. Or, hey, good evening, everyone. And good night is a goodbye expression. Let's repeat with me. Good night. I'm going to sleep. Good night. I'm tired. Good night. When you say goodbye, you say good night. Okay? And here, these are formal expressions. So let's remember. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and goodbye. Okay? And now let's go to the informal expressions. Okay, let me just write here, goodbye expressions. Goodbye expressions. Okay, let's start with the hello expressions here for formal expressions. They are very, very easy. Let's repeat with me. Hello, hi, hello, and hi. You see, they're very difficult, right? Very, very easy. And you can say, how are you? How are you? How? Ow. How? How are you? How are you? And here we have how's it going? How's it? How's it going? How's it going? The pronunciation is like this. How's it going? How's it going? We don't pronounce the letter E here. We don't pronounce it. So, how's it? We make a connection here. How's it going? This is the pronunciation. But what's the meaning? What's the signification of how's it going? How's it going, guys? Is how are you? Okay? How's it going and how are you is the same. Okay, that's it. You can say hello, how are you? Or hello, how's it going? Okay, or you can say hello, how are you doing? So we have three expressions. Hello, three how are you expressions. Let's repeat with me. How are you? How's it going? How are you doing? How are you doing? Americans, when they're speaking fast, they say, how are you doing? How are you doing? So we have three forms. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 forms to say, how are you? Okay? Oh, let's pay attention in this dialogue. Hello, John. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. Okay, this is a conversation between John and a different person using how are you? I can have the same conversation here using how's it going? Hello, John. How's it going? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. Okay, you see they are synonyms. And now I have another one here. Hello, John. I can say, how are you doing? In this situation here, what you can use? You can say, I'm doing good. But you can use, I'm doing good here as well. It's fine. Doing, in this context here, is optional. Colocar o doing aqui é opcional. Então, você pode colocá-lo ou não, não tem problema. And here's the same idea. I'm doing good too. Okay? But let's learn a different form of saying and you. Oh, hello, John, how are you? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. Okay, let me just fix here. In that, when it's how's it going, I can use how, how about you? In that case here, how about you and you are synonyms. Okay, and I can use what about you? What about you? They all means and you. You have a variation and you. Let's repeat with me. And you or and you. Sometimes we can omit the letter D in the communication when in the pronunciation. And you. How about you? Let's repeat. How about you? And now, what about you? Okay? And you. How about you? How about you? Or what about you? They are synonyms. Okay? Remember that. This is very, very important. Let's go. Here we have another conversation. Let's practice the conversation here. Hello, John. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. Or I'm doing good too. Hello, John. How's it going? I'm doing good. How about you? I'm good too. Hello, John. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Or I'm good. What about you? I'm good too. So here we have three forms that we can use. Those greetings, expressions, and how to communicate. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know later. Se tiver alguma dúvida aqui, depois eu vou estar ajudando-os. Now, let's go to this part here that it's very, very important. Okay? This is a very important conversation we have here. Okay? Let's do with me. Here we're gonna use the how are you expression. Okay? When we have a how are you question, quando a gente tem uma pergunta com how are you, we have two forms. We can use good or well. Let me just fix here. Good or well. You can say, I'm good. I'm well. Okay? But some people would say, yeah, what about fine? Algumas pessoas vão dizer, ah, mas eu vi que pós ao fine. Pessoal, lá em português a little bit. O fine vocês podem até utilizar, mas ele não é tão usado. Eu tenho amigos americanos, I have American friends, de outras nacionalidades. De 10 vezes que eu conversei com eles, uma vez eles usaram fine. O fine ele não é tão usado. É igual, por exemplo, no português, a gente aprende, às vezes, nos livros didáticos, como vai você? Mas nós não utilizamos como vai você no dia a dia. Nós vamos usar sempre, olá, tudo bem? Muito mais, tudo bem. Como vai você? Dificilmente hoje a gente vai falar como vai você. É só naquela música da Daniela Mercury, né? Como vai você? Eu preciso saber da sua vida, né? Então, na música da Daniela Mercury, né, e na linguagem bem formal, nós utilizamos o como vai você, mas não é tão comum. É certo? É, não está errado, mas não é natural. A mesma coisa com o fine. O fine, ele é correto, ele não está incorreto, mas ele não vai transparecer uma naturalidade. É muito mais comum que vocês ouçam os americanos falarem good or well, ok? Aqui, ok, like in Portuguese, and sad. Okay? And here, it's the same idea. Let's pay attention to this conversation here. Hello, how are you? I'm good. And you? I'm well, thank you. You see that thanks and thank you comes in parentheses. We see the parentheses here. Because, why does it come in parentheses? Because this is optional. Ok? Because this is optional, it comes in parentheses. É opcional, você pode utilizá-lo ou não na fala, que não vai ter problema nenhum, não vai ter problema da interferência da comunicação. A pessoa não vai te entender errado por isso. Ok? A very nice way to respond that in a very natural and very informal way to do that in English is, hello, how are you? Not bad. Not bad means good. But this is, it means good. But this is very informal language. Okay, this is very informal, not bad. It's very common in everyday conversation. É muito comum também nas conversas do cotidiano. Utilizar not bad. Okay, here I can use how are you? I can use how's it going? Como aprendemos? Or, let's see if you remember, this one here. How are you doing? Remember that the three forms, how are you or how are you, and the pronunciation, how are you? How are you? Okay, we have two forms to pronounce that question. How's it going or how are you doing are the three forms that we can use. As três formas podem ser usadas de qualquer maneira. O how's it going, the form how's it going is extremely used in America. I remember when I traveled to the United States, I used how's it going a lot. Quando eu fui para os Estados Unidos, eu lembro que eu usei muito how's it going e, gente, deu muito certo. Muito, muito certo. Ok? Então, por hoje aqui é isso. That's it for today. If you have any question, just let me know. See you in class. Goodbye.